We don't do our normal welcoming into the flow because this is the beginning of our day. The very first thing to open the lungs, to really move the vital essence through your body and replenish. So we begin first with embracing the Tao. The feet are about shoulder width apart and the pelvis is gently tucked. The arms are crossed at the wrist, the left hand inside, the right hand on the outside in a nice hug and embrace. You stand softly, the feet rooted down, a little bit more weight in the heels. Pelvis tucked, gaze is in the distance and the eyes are 70% closed. And we just breathe in and out our nose. Long, slow, deep breaths. And as we breathe, we imagine our energy center, the lower dantian, behind and below the navel, connecting out. First to our aura. Then to our neighborhood, the immediate space around us. Then to our state or province. Really see all 360 degrees of this space connecting to you. Keep that spine elongated. If your arms get tired, of course you can lower them, but ideally keep them elevated. Now connect to the earth. And on this next inhale, expand your energy all the way out to the galaxy, the very edges. And our final connection is to the edges of the universe. As they keep expanding, we see this connection to the Tao, the energy of the cosmos. And on your next exhale, bring that energy to wrap back again around the edges of the galaxy. And then around the earth. Around your state or province. Around your neighborhood. This energy fills your aura now. And on this last inhale for embracing the Tao, bring your hands to the lower dantian, centering the energy, feeling the warmth within. Now we'll begin moving the Qi. So for this, again, the knees are gently bent, pelvis is tucked so the perineum roots down. We're going to be inhaling, the arms come up to shoulder height. Then we soften the elbows, flatten the hands and draw in. And then exhale, press down. As you do this, we're going to picture a loop of light within the body. We're going to, on the inhale, watch this loop of light come from the top of the head all the way down. And as we draw back, it's going to loop under the perineum and then come back up the spine as we exhale, slowly moving to the top of the head. I'll talk you through it one more time, but then we'll do it silently. As you inhale, this light of energy moves from your head to your lower dantian below the navel. As you exhale, flattening the hands and pressing down, it moves under the perineum and then up the spine. And if you can't picture the energy of light, don't worry. Just inhale as the hands float up. Exhale as you draw back and float down. Touch your tongue to the top of your palate. Say the letter N. And where your tongue lands is where you want to hold it for the duration. Inhale, float the hands up, inhaling through the nose. Exhale softly, floating the hands down. If these longer inhales and exhales are challenging, just breathe gently in and out the nose. We'll do one more. Bring your hands in a diamond shape to the lower dantian, this lower energy center. Inhale, let the diaphragm move out, relaxing and opening. Exhale, squeeze in, tuning in to this source of your Jing essence. And now we're going to circulate the Qi, moving the ball on the left and the right. Bring the feet out a little bit wider than shoulder width, just a little. You're going to bring your right hand on top, so go ahead and get that situated first before I take you through the move. So the right hand is on top, and this is important because of our inhales and exhales. I need to do it correctly as well. We inhale, turning at the waist, shifting a slight bend. Don't worry about what happens in the lower body, just let it move, and bring your whole body and face to the right. Gently move the hands so the left hand is on top, the right on bottom, and then you'll exhale to the left. We're going to go quickly after these first three. We're just going to practice bringing the right hand on top. Now remember, as you do that, here we inhale, you're going to keep the palms facing each other. Exhale. We'll do one more slowly. Inhale. And then change the hands and exhale. And we'll continue silently, inhaling right, exhale left. Your gaze is soft into the distance. Let the weight shift a little from side to side as well as you rotate. The toes should point forward. Keep the shoulders relaxed and down. The spine is long as you twist around center. Inhale as you go right, exhale left. Last one. Come standing for a moment with your hands by your sides, the gaze in the distance, the tongue still on the top of the palate. Breathe. And because it's winter, we're going to stroke the kidneys now. Bring the hands back to the top, right by the ribs, and stroke down, gently moving your energy down. Nice, gentle breath as you stroke. Three more. And release. Now we'll do one more. You're free to leave, of course, if you need. We might be going a little over our 15 minutes, so don't worry, you're all set to close your practice. We're going to do some knee circles again because it's winter. We just massage around the knees. So go ahead and get into a seated position wherever you can. A poof, a chair, the bed, whatever you have at hand. And let's massage. You won't go over the top of the knee. We're going all around the knee. Our Jing essence is housed in our kidneys, and it's really critical in the winter that we take extra care and give a little extra love to the kidneys. So that's why we're adding the stroking of the kidneys and massaging the knees. Breathe gently as you massage. Feel the warmth being generated. This is incredible for knee pain, hearing, waking you up, and even calming you down. Just your intention is what you change. We'll just go for another 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing. Don't hold your breath. And release. Sit calmly. Your palms can be face down on your legs or down by your sides. Open your eyes now fully. Just gaze into the distance. Give a little smile. It can be just an internal smile or a genuine one. And celebrate your first day of this event. We're not calling it a challenge because it's winter. If you want to come every day, great. If you want to come a few days, great. Make sure you try to incorporate the movements every day if you can. The benefits will be remarkable.